Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x plus 4 factorial over x plus 1 factorial is equal to 720, or we know n factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 factorial. So x plus 4 factorial is equal to x plus 4 times x plus 3 factorial is equal to x plus 4 times x plus 3 times x plus 2 factorial is equal to x plus 4 times x plus 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 1 factorial. So we can write here x plus 4 times x plus 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 1 factorial over x plus 1 factorial is equal to 720. Now this x plus 1 factorial cancel out this x plus 1 factorial. So we will get x plus 4 times x plus 3 times x plus 2 is equal to 720, or x plus 4 can be written as x plus 3 plus 1 times x plus 3 times x plus 2 can be written as x plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 720. Now let x plus 3 is equal to t. So we can write here t plus 1 times t minus 1 is equal to 720, or rearranging it we can write here t times t plus 1 times t minus 1 is equal to 720. Now we know a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So apply this rule here. We can write t times t square minus 1 square is equal to 720 can be written as 729 minus 9. Or t times t square, that means t cube, minus 1 square, that means 1, and 1 times t, that means t, and this 729 taking to left side we can write here negative 729, and this negative 9 taking to left side we will get positive 9 is equal to 0, or t cube minus t minus this 729 can be written as 9 cube plus 9 is equal to 0, or rearranging left side we can write here t cube minus 9 cube minus t plus 9 is equal to 0, or we know a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Apply this rule here. We can write t minus 9 times t square plus t times 9 plus 9 square, and taking common negative 1 to last two term we will get negative 1 times t minus 9 is equal to 0, or t minus 9 times t square plus 9 times t, that means 90, plus 9 square, that means 81, minus 1 times t minus 9 is equal to 0, or now taking common t minus 9 we will get t minus 9 times t square plus 90 plus 81 minus 1 is equal to 0, or t minus 9 times t square plus 90, 81 minus 1, that means plus 80 is equal to 0. Now there are two cases, so we can write here t minus 9 is equal to 0, or t square plus 90 plus 80 is equal to 0. Now here we can apply discriminant formula. So del is equal to b square minus 4ac. But remember, if del less than 0, then no real solutions. Or here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 9 and c is equal to 80. So del is equal to b square, that means 9 square, minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means 80, is equal to 9 square is equal to 81, minus 4 times 1 times 80, that means 320, and these are less than 0, so there are no real solution. There are no real solutions. Now t minus 9 is equal to 0, or taking this negative 9 to right side, we will get t is equal to 9. But remember, let t is equal to x plus 3. So we can write here x plus 3 is equal to 9. Or now taking this positive 3 to right side, we will get negative 3. So x is equal to 9 minus 3. So finally the value of x is equal to 9 minus 3, that means 6. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.